Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing works quickly. Make sure your iPhone has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on, open Control Center, and tap Screen Mirroring. Once done, look for the TV or Apple TV name and select it. That initiates the connection. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code shown on the TV. This step establishes the secure stream and sets the stage for full screen or windowed mirroring. Once you attempt the connection, you may see delays or no device listed. Restart both devices and try again. Make sure you're off VPNs and reduce Wi-Fi congestion by closing heavy apps. This improves latency and reliability. Also check settings, right arrow general right arrow software update on your iPhone, and update the TV or Apple TV firmware. Updates fix AirPlay bugs. Repeat the screen mirroring step after each change to confirm progress and isolate the culprit. You complete the process by stopping mirroring from Control Center when you're done, which frees bandwidth and device resources. Make sure AirPlay access is set to your preference, everyone, contacts, or only this device, because wrong settings block connections. If problems persist after updates and restarts, reset network settings on the iPhone. This clears corrupted Wi-Fi profiles but requires re-entering passwords. That reset
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.